name is Bill Hedrick. I'm an Assistant City Attorney and Chief of Staff for City Attorney Richard C. Pfeiffer, Jr. There are currently thousands of outstanding misdemeanor warrants in Franklin County in the City of Columbus. Today's program is to highlight some of those warrants, hopefully have people turn themselves in on those warrants, or have people arrested and address their outstanding criminal charges. One, the police can issue a warrant and the person has not been arrested. Two, summons can be issued to appear in court and the person has not appeared in court, or they have failed to follow up on a previous court appearance. A final way a warrant can be issued is if a person has been found guilty, has not reported to jail, or paid their court fines. Fernando Palazzo. Mr. Palazzo is charged with one count of voyeurism. He was actually set for court to plead guilty to his case. He failed to appear. The accusations on the voyeurism is that he was at a Walmart and was taking pictures underneath ladies' dresses. Ralph Dollison. He received a summons to appear in court. He's accused of stealing from a hospital gift shop in which he was a patient. He is aware of this warrant and even contacted our office and said he was going to resolve his issue. He has not, and that is why he currently has a warrant out for his arrest. Jeffrey Gaddison. He's charged not only with not having a driver's license, but is also charged with OVI. His OVI, the accusations include there was an auto accident involved. The other party involved in the accident, the innocent party, was a pregnant woman. Mr. Gaddison has failed to report to court to address this situation. Brian Lake Sr., who has multiple charges involving an outstanding OVI charge. He also is not new to the court system, having had multiple OVIs in the past. He is aware of his warrant as well and has refused to appear in court. In this incident, he was actually involved in an accident. Luckily, it did not involve another vehicle. This is why Brian Lake Sr. is on our program today. The warrants highlighted in this program today are criminal misdemeanors. We are highlighting criminal misdemeanors because those are the crimes that are addressed by the Columbus City Attorney's Office. The Columbus City Attorney's Office does not handle felony cases. If you're subject to arrest warrant, how can this affect your life? One, you always have to be fearful of arrest. Two, a warrant block can be placed on your driver's license. You will not be able to renew your driver's license, nor will you be able to get registration for your vehicle. Three, when applying for employment and or government benefits, often background checks are done. And if you have an arrest warrant, that can block both of those things from happening. James Hagwood Jr., who's not new to the court system at the Franklin County Municipal Court, his current warrants include criminal damaging, in which he was accused of trying to break into a vehicle on campus. He has failed to appear in court, and that is why he is listed on our program today. Paul Andrew Thomas. Paul Andrew Thomas has multiple warrants for his arrest and has failed to appear in court on numerous occasions. Among those charges are child endangering, where he's accused of assaulting his 2-year-old nephew, and there's also a domestic violence and assault case against Mr. Thomas where he's accused of assaulting his elderly grandmother. These are why Paul Andrew Thomas has warrants for his arrest and is featured on our program today. Lawrence Bishop. Mr. Bishop actually had a jury trial for animal cruelty. He was accused of cutting a dog's throat. Luckily, the dog survived, but Mr. Bishop was convicted of animal cruelty and failed to report to jail. This is why Mr. Bishop has an arrest warrant for him at this time. If you're one of the individuals listed in today's program or on our website, you're encouraged to turn yourself in or to seek legal counsel. The Columbus Bar Association lawyer referral number can be reached at 614-221-0754, and the Franklin County Public Defender's Office can be contacted at 614-525-3194. More information and a listing of outstanding warrants can be found at the City Attorney's website at columbuscityattorney.org. This program and the lists that are on our website are updated on a monthly basis. If you have information on any of the individuals listed in our program, feel free to email me, Bill Hedrick, at brhedrick@columbus.gov, or contact my direct number at 614-645-8874. There are no rewards involved in this program.